ilezinto lezi sibhekana nazo. As sikhulumile before, sometimes when we try to do the right thing, there are those that are using uniform to destabilize yonke lento esiyenza. So manje ngimcelile ukuthi nibe khona nizozibonela nani ngawe namela. Ungabi ngathi senza into yethu. You understand? So ngicela ukungazisake manje lendawo leyo ivaliwe. Lama reasons avale ngawe ecaleni useseyiwo namanje. So asazi ukuba kumele simbuze ukuthi kuze kuvuleke kwenzakaleni, but we will try by all means ukuthi senza investigation yethu and find out what is happening, because comrades lana kwenza ukuthi ku addresswa i-community to say much and much ayisebenzi. People that are giving that perspective, or given that perspective ukuthi nasi much and much ayisebenzi, kanti siyasebenza bese ke after 3 days 4 days uthola la ubuya khona lana bekunabantu abalele balala esitolo phakathi. Namhlanje sikuvuliwe ubani overifyile ukuthi lento le iyenzeka ayisayenzeki. Ufikile inspection ifike on Saturday. Mina ngazi ama office we government wonke ayavalwa noma Saturdays. So leli elifikile lona lazo inspector lana ubani kanjani. So lithina senze okwethu mhlambe sesitholile lokho bacanga sikutholile abantu basithukile vele. So now ngicela sisizaneni comrades sibambisaneni kuyo yonke lento esibathi.
Mina I can assure you ukuthi labantu laba bazivulele bona, not on anyone's authority. The municipality, we can go to the municipality, they will tell you ukuthi labantu laba zanga bavule. But now we are having problem la uthola ukuthi labantu bokufika lapha bayasidelela kuba ungathi thina sisebenza senze umsebenzi wethu njengoba bahamba basinema ukuthi sihamba sithatha izinto zabo or there's nothing esithethe, but today they are here, they are open. So thina kumele senzeni as much and much, kumele senzeni as umphakathi labantu bayenza lento lethi nesingafuni ukuthi bayenze. Siyabavalisa bona bayazivulisa, siyabavalisa bona bayazivulisa. So labantu laba bokufika laba we are tired with their attitude. Attitude yethu yabo seyifika la sibiza khona straight ukuthi it stinks. Iyanuka because of angeke bazivulele endaweni yethu. Whereas sibavalise nomasipala, sibavalise na wonke ama stakeholders. You understand? Ilokhansini sengakafikanga la ufikile i-Department of Health. Kumele verify lokudla. Sithola izinto ezibolile last time la. But yet bayavula futhi. So now we are tired and the attitude iyanuka. Ngiyabonga mfowethu.
Minjani? Phila ngu-Elsie gama lami engihlala khona la eWitbank. Last besikhona lana ku-Machine Mash. Into esimangaza kakhulu ukuthi sibabonile labantu baphumile bagibelile amaveni bahamba wathiwa baye police station. But enye into esimangaza futhi ukuthi siyababona futhi babuyile labantu bayasebenza baya operate ukuthi njani asazi and ukuthi nokuthi kwenzakaleni police station asazi. Into esifuna ukuyazi ukuthi why bavulile bavalisiwe bavula futhi bavula ngaliphi kusetshenzwa ngaliphi kanti kwenzakalani, because la esidlula khona thina nanoma sibasibheka ngathi sesiyahlanya i-Machine Mash ayikho, because la everyday la sihamba khona bayavula labantu namanje naku baphumile nibabonile baphumile ngezimoto zabo sikhona simile la baphuma bahamba ayikho nje into abayikhulumile. Ngiyabonga.
Igama lami mina ngusisi ngihlala kaGuqa eThushanang. So mina i-concern yami ukuthi ngiyazibuza ukuthi labantu laba ngoba baboshiwe bekunamaveni amaphoyisa la so wabonile babathatha bahamba nabo and basithembisile ukuthi labantu laba basayo verify amaphepha wabo ukuthi ba right ukuthi bangaba la eSouth Africa. Kutholakala ukudla la okubolile, kutholakala abantu bebalelene la namanzi wabo angcolile, mara namhlanje nabo baphumile bavulile la and asazi ukuthi bavulelwe ubani. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi epolice station baphume kanjani baze bazokhona ukuthi bavule la ngoba khona loyo oshilo obavulele or ovumile ukuthi baphinde futhi bazobuya beze la bakhona ukuthi ba-operate baqhubeke bayiphambili. Yinto le esiconcern ngayo and nalokuthi bafihla abantu babo baphuma ngama-back door bayabaleka mabasibona thina sesingathi siyizitha manje kanti kunalabantu laba ababhancile laba ababasebenzisayo thina singabazi.
Inokhuluma amagama amabi ezakithi mina ngimisa amagama amabi ukuthi thina we are taking bribes. That is why our shops are value. We don't do those things. Stop spreading lies. Ngathi Santena. Ngiyabonga.